This is the Ujamaa Network, Black Investments Matter. I'm Antoine Anderson, and we are going to wade very carefully into the how-tos of trading on the Coinbase Advance platform. This is not professional opinion. We're just going to go over some of the tools and see how to use them. And maybe when you consult your professional, your financial professional, you can learn some things and wow them with some things you learn from this channel. How do you eat an elephant if you want to do such a thing? Well, one bite at a time is what I was told. Same thing with learning how to read these very complicated looking charts and graphs and tools. You see them more likely on professional trading platforms. It's one thing to buy cryptocurrency. It's a whole nother thing to trade it. Trading any kind of commodity, crypto, stock, bond, placing those kind of orders, that is how passive income is made. We are going to start learning how to do this together. Again, Black Investments Matter is just trying to show you the how-tos on a particular app. We're not here to tell you why or if you should do these things. That's up to a financial professional. But knowing the tools could help you in your goal of becoming a more educated trader to earn passive income. Let's talk about it. We're going to talk first about what is spot trading. Now, spot is basically buying and selling at a particular prevailing or current market price in the hopes of turning a profit when that price reaches a certain point. All it is fancy talk for saying that we're going to buy as low as possible and sell as high as possible and live off of the profit made in that in between. When we constantly remind you to seek financial professionals for your advice and tips, this is what those professionals are professional at. Reading these charts is a lifelong thing. You can always learn more. And for someone who has not been exposed to the inner workings of finances, you're not going to know what they're talking about. What are the components? What are the parts? What are they actually doing? Well, they're reading these tea leaves, as I like to call them, these charts. And what these charts represents are trends in the market based on live data that's coming in to these exchanges. And it tells the story of transactions in a day. So whenever there's a market fluctuation, it's based on the information that we're seeing here. Our goal is to learn how to read the information. Now, before we get too deep into it, let's take a look at these candlesticks. Did you know that there are 75 formally named candlestick patterns? Yeah, I didn't know that before today either. So what we are doing is trying to familiarize ourselves with those patterns so we can become more educated investors before we just blindly put down money in the hopes that it will turn a profit at some point in time. Now, already we have just added to your educational background. We just added to your information pool. We just found out what a spot trade is and what it actually means. And we also introduced you to something called candlesticks and those patterns. Here's some homework for you. We're going to try to figure out what are the top 7 candlestick patterns that aid you in buying and selling cryptocurrencies. That will be enough in itself. You want to learn more? Hit the like and subscribe button and keep coming back with questions so we can learn this process together. I think this is just the way to go here on out. Before we get into selling and buying and showing you how to do it in the application, I want to have some questions, some feedback for you. And the only way we're going to do that is help me get into that next 500 and 90 watched hours that I need to monetize this channel, and we're going to keep it pushing. Remember, all money's not good money. Watch how you spend it. I will talk to you later. Hit me up.